Hey everybody, there is a lot going on today because it is National Coffee Day, and I bought this shirt on Amazon, and I will try to post the link. I don't get any, payment or anything for it, but it says, "Put your hair up in a bun, drink some coffee, and handle it." And I'm like, this shirt came yesterday, and I did not know that today was National Coffee Day. So I'm going to put my hair up in a bun, but while I do that, I'm going to show you the flex brush on wet hair. I can use it on wet hair or dry hair. And I have these on my website, Friendly Oils, which I will also put in this link or description if it's on YouTube, because I'm making a video so I can share this. I was just going to show you, it's pretty easy. My hair is very, very wet. A lot of times I take this right in the shower with me, like a wet brush, but I call it a flex brush, and I do have it on my site where I sell my products, and I do sell the flex brush. I think it's $11.50, but it's worth it. Anyway, I got an extra large, and it's a little bit large on me, so I gotta work with that a little bit. But right now I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun. So I thought I would show how I put my hair in a bun. I just kind of gather it up into my high ponytail, is what I call it. And you want to make sure that you brush the back of your always, in fact, even not just for this hairstyle, but any hairstyle, like even curling your hair, you can look at the front of your hair and see that your hair looks really wonderful in the front, and then find out that you've got all these separations and everything in the back. Hopefully you find that out before you go out and about. So what I do is I just take a chunk of it and kind of try to center it and make a loop out of it. You can separate that loop as much as you want or as little as you want, or you can make it as big as you want, or just pull on this as your adjuster for as small as you want. And then on the ends, I always like to twist them, but you can braid them, or you don't even have to twist them. You can just take your ends and flop them around that. I like to make it kind of messy because we're just gonna handle it. We're gonna put our hair up in a bun and handle it. And then my husband, when I told him it's National Coffee Day, he goes, "Well, come on, I'll go get you a cup of coffee." And I said, "Well, we aren't talking Quick Trip coffee on National Coffee Day. You know that, right?" And he said, "I know, I'll take you somewhere nice, like an actual coffee shop." My husband doesn't even drink coffee, you guys, so that shows you that he is. Oh, by the way, what I just put in there were spin pins, and I do sell those. My bun never looks the same any day of the week, but I like the way it turned out. These spin pins, I'm not sure if they're on my Square site, but I just sell them for $1 a piece. So, I mean, they're $5 shipping. Sorry, that's what shipping is these days. But see how you just righty-tighty and then lefty-loosey, you just grab it and pull it out.